Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a very interesting filing from Myseum, Inc., a company that seems to be playing with the idea of time travel in the digital world, or at least how we manage it. Alright, buckle up because we have some exciting news from Myseum, Inc., a company that is making waves in the patent office. They've just announced a major win for a patent application titled Time-Bound Event Creation and Management Based on User-Specific Media Permissions. Think about that for a second. It sounds like they're trying to build a system that lets you control time. Sensitive digital moments, especially related to media and who gets to see what and when. This is pretty forward-thinking stuff and could open up a whole new realm of digital interactions. It is like having a digital doorman for your memories in media. Now, beyond the patent news, this filing also gives us a glimpse into the company's structure. We see references to their common stock, which is standard for any publicly traded company. But what is really interesting are the series of warrants. These are like options for investors to buy shares of the company's stock at a set price, which is $49.8 in this case. This tells us the company has likely used these warrants as a way to raise capital in the past or as part of compensation. It's a way to get money now by promising future shares, and it shows they are thinking about their capital structure and growth. Let's look at what is being traded on the stock market. Myseum Inc. has its common stock trading under the ticker MYS. This is the bread and butter of the company, representing ownership. It's trading on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC, a major exchange, which means it has a certain level of liquidity and investor interest. Following that, we see the series of warrants trading as Myseum. This is where things get a bit more sophisticated for investors. As mentioned, these are essentially call options, giving holders the right, but not the obligation, to buy Myseum's common stock at $49.8. Per share, the fact that these are listed and trading means there is a market for them, and investors are betting on the future price of my stock going above that warrant exercise price. It is a testament to the company's perceived future value and potential growth. Now, a little about the company's status. Myseum Inc. has checked the box indicating they are an emerging growth company. This is a designation under US law that gives newer, smaller public companies certain benefits, like reduced reporting requirements for a period. It means they are still in a phase of growth and development, and the regulators are giving them a bit of breathing room. This often means less upfront cost and complexity in compliance, allowing them to focus more on actual business growth. The main event here, as highlighted in item 8.01 Other Events, is that big patent news. On the 4th of December 2025, Myseum Inc. announced they received a notice of allowance from the US Patent and Trademark Office for that unique patent we talked about. This isn't just a small win. It is a significant validation of their innovative approach to managing time, bound digital events and permissions. Imagine the application securing sensitive data, managing event access, or even creating novel forms of digital content. This patent could be a real game changer and a significant competitive advantage. And attached to this report as Exhibit 99.1 is the actual press release detailing this patent allowance. This is where you typically find the official statement from the company, elaborating on the significance of the patent and its potential market impact. It's the company's way of sharing good news and making sure investors and the public are aware of their technological advancements. Finally, the report is signed off by the Chief Executive Officer, Darren Myman, on the 4th of December 2025. This date is important because it is the earliest event reported and marks the official day the company is reporting these developments. It is a standard procedural step, but it anchors the timeline of these announcements. So, what is the big picture here? Myseum Inc. is clearly making strategic moves, particularly in securing intellectual property. This patent for time-bound event creation and management is a strong signal that they are innovating in a potentially lucrative area of digital media and permission management. While this filing doesn't provide deep financial tables to dissect their quarterly performance, the focus on patents and warrants tells a story of a company focused on future growth, technological advantage, and capital strategy. The key risk here is always execution, turning a patented idea into a profitable business. But the opportunity is huge if they can truly deliver on managing these time-bound events. It's a company to watch, especially as we see how they leverage this new patent. Alright, that is our quick decode of this Myseum Inc. filing. What is your take on this patent and its potential impact? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below if you found this breakdown helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate insights, and don't forget to join our Discord community for more in-depth discussions. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.